Hello guys, today join me as I create the ultimate vlogging kit, which is the Sony Zv-E10 Mark II with the DJI RS3 Mini. Did you know that the DJI RS3 Mini plus the Sony Zv-E10 Mark II can transform your vlogging into a professional level production? So today's guys, we will dive into the ultimate vlogging setup again, which is the Sony Zv-E10 Mark II with the DJI RS3 Mini. That's why these two device is perfect combination. So guys, let's see and balance these two camera, which is vertical and horizontal, and let's see. The Sony Zv-E10 Mark II have a fast autofocus, and the DJI RS3 Mini complements by providing a smooth stabilization. So this is a perfect combination of these two cameras. So I try to balance already, guys. Let's turn on the RS3 Mini, and voila, you have a perfect and very small size stabilizer. So if you want to make it for vlogging, it's still very small. Even if you run, you have a still a best footage while vlogging. See, it's not heavy, guys. It's a perfect combination for vlogging. It's a highly like high level high level video for vlogging. Imagine you have a stabilizer plus a best vlogging camera. Yeah, perfect for vlogging. Yeah. So again, guys, see, this is how you're gonna set your vlogging setup with the Sony ZV-E10 plus the DJI RS3 Mini. Yan guys. Again, we will try also to use it in vertical position. We'll make a vertical for the DJI RS3 Mini and the ZV-10. So guys, this is the portrait mode for the DJI RS3 Mini with the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Let's try to open. Yeah, it's calibrate. It's already in the green light. So meaning, oh green, yeah, the icon from camera with stabilizer is already in the green. So meaning you have a perfect balance camera and stabilizer. So again, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. I'm just showing you the perfect combination of this vlogging pro level setup, which is the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II with the DJI RS3 Mini. So if you are a sport blogger or any types of vlogging that which is have a lot of motion like running or walking, whatever, I think this is a good combination. First, it's lightweight, and second, you have best camera, and then guys, this is a perfect combination for vlogging of that type of vlogging. Like again, if you are running or if your vlogging is more in action, then this is a good combination, guys. Sony ZV-E10 Mark II with the DJI RS3 Mini. So again, guys, but again, about the compatibility list, still you can still is not compatible in terms of using the function here. Also, the Bluetooth is still not connected with the DJI RS3 Mini and the Sony ZV-E10. I think the Sony ZV-E10 Mark I, yes, is compatible via USB or Bluetooth, but Sony ZV-E10 Mark II is still not in the list. So maybe one day, if they make a update, a firmware update, let's see. Let's wait if the DJI can make update for the DJI RS3 Mini and make compatible with most of the new cameras now. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the Sony cameras or this particular Sony ZV-E10 Mark II and DJI RS3 Mini, you can visit our website www.abworld.com, or if you want to check the price for all Sony product and DJI product, visit our website www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.